Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact identifier tied to the account, phone number, email, or Zalo ID. Once you know which, open the Zalo app and choose Login then Forgot Password. Provide the phone or email. Zalo will send a verification code. Make sure your SIM is active or you can access that email. While waiting, prepare a clear photo of your ID if you'll need to prove ownership. This speeds verification and reduces follow-up steps. Once you receive the code, enter it immediately. Delays often cause expiration and lock attempts. If the code fails, tap Resend or try the email option. When prompted for ownership proof, upload a crisp, uncropped photo of your government ID and a selfie holding the ID if required. In the explanation field, state concise facts, previous device, approximate registration date, and linked phone or email. This helps reviewers match records and speeds recovery. After verification, reset your password to a strong, unique phrase and link a backup email or enable two-factor authentication so this doesn't repeat. Restore chats from cloud backup if you had one. Make sure backups are current. If recovery fails, contact Zalo support with specifics: original phone number, last login time, linked email, and any transaction ID. That single troubleshooting tip. Provide precise account details. Greatly increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.